Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
This is an oak tree. Oak tree. I see a pine tree. Pine tree. This is a maple tree. Maple tree. I like the palm tree. Palm tree. This is an apple tree. Apple tree. I see a banana tree. Banana tree. This is a mango tree. Mango tree. I love this coconut tree. Coconut tree. This is a cherry tree. Cherry tree. I see bamboo trees. Bamboo trees. This is a willow tree. Willow tree. I see a birch tree. Birch tree. This is a fig tree. Fig tree. I see an orange tree. Orange tree. This is a lemon tree. Lemon tree. I see olive trees. Olive tree. This forest has pine trees. Pine forest. This is a poplar tree. Poplar tree. I love peach trees. Peach tree. This is an avocado tree. Avocado tree. This is a walnut tree. Walnut tree. I see an almond tree. Almond tree. This is a chestnut tree. Chestnut tree. I see cedar trees. Cedar tree. This is a eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus tree. This is a lime tree. Lime tree. I see an elm tree. Elm tree. This is a pear tree. Pear tree. I like this garden. Nice garden. This is an ash tree. Ash tree. This is a sequoia tree. Sequoia tree. I see a magnolia tree. Magnolia tree. This is a spruce tree. Spruce tree. I see a fir tree. Fir tree. This is a mahogany tree. Mahogany tree. I see a teak tree. Teak tree. This is a redwood tree. Redwood tree. This is a guava tree. Guava tree. I see a papaya tree. Papaya tree. This is a date tree. Date tree. This is a hazelnut tree. Hazelnut tree. I see a juniper tree. Juniper tree. This is a holly tree. Holly tree. I see a beech tree. Beech tree. This is a baobab tree. Baobab tree. I see a dogwood tree. Dogwood tree. This is a sycamore tree. Sycamore tree. I see a cypress tree. Cypress tree. This is a hickory tree. Hickory tree. This is a plum tree. Plum tree. This is an acacia tree. Acacia tree. I see a rubber tree. Rubber tree. This is a pomegranate tree. Pomegranate tree. I see an apricot tree. Apricot tree. This is a coffee tree. Coffee tree. I see a cocoa tree. Cocoa tree. This is a tea tree. Tea tree. This is a rosewood tree. Rosewood tree. I see a ginkgo tree. Ginkgo tree. I like this orchard. Nice orchard. This is a banyan tree. Banyan tree. I see a neem tree. Neem tree. This is a jackfruit tree. Jackfruit tree. I see a tamarind tree. Tamarind tree. This is a plane tree. Plane tree. I see a persimmon tree. Persimmon tree. This is a larch tree. Larch tree. I see a hawthorn tree. Hawthorn tree. This is an alder tree. Alder tree. I see a sandalwood tree. Sandalwood tree. This is a locust tree. Locust tree. I see an ironwood tree. Ironwood tree. This is a mulberry tree. Mulberry tree. I see a basswood tree. Basswood tree. I like this garden. Beautiful garden. This is a rowan tree. Rowan tree. I see a horse chestnut tree. Horse chestnut tree. This is a camphor tree. Camphor tree. This is a white oak tree. White oak tree. I see a black walnut tree. Black walnut tree. This is a silver fir tree. Silver fir tree. I see a weeping willow. Weeping willow. This is a red maple tree. Red maple tree. I see a cherry blossom tree. Cherry blossom tree. This is a royal palm tree. Royal palm tree. I see a white pine tree. White pine tree. This is a black cherry tree. Black cherry tree. I see a golden oak tree. Golden oak tree. This is a bamboo grove. Bamboo grove. I see a coastal pine tree. Coastal pine tree. This is a flowering tree. Flowering tree. This is a jacaranda tree. Jacaranda tree. I see a monkey puzzle tree. Monkey puzzle tree. This is a silver birch tree. Silver birch tree. I see a sugar maple tree. Sugar maple tree. This is a tall redwood tree. Tall redwood tree. I love citrus trees. Citrus trees. This is an old oak tree. Old oak tree. I love this forest. Beautiful forest. Thank you for watching. See you next time.